Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see secure boot enabled but not active in BIOS. I enabled the secure boot and TPM in BIOS, and in my PC information that secure boot is not enabled, and now I can't play Valorant and getting error guys. After you are in the BIOS, you just need to go to advanced mode. If you can't able to see the advanced mode, then you just need to press F2 in your keyboard to enter this advanced mode and go to boot tab over here, and you can able to see secure boot option. And in my case the secure boot is enabled but it's not active. First I answer some questions. Does enabling secure boot delete your information? No guys, it will not delete anything. If you get a black screen or no display after enabling secure boot, then you just need to update your BIOS, and that should fix the problem. If you can't find secure boot menu, then you just need to select disable CSM support. After disabling that, you can able to see secure boot option. To fix this problem, you just need to select the secure boot mode option over here. After selecting it, you just need to press enter and change it to custom and press enter to save it. Again, go back to secure boot mode and change back to standard and press enter. Select yes. Again, select yes. And now your computer will start again. Now you just need to enter BIOS. Just start pressing the BIOS key. After entering the BIOS, you just need to go to advanced mode. Just go go to boot tab and scroll down, and you can able to see the secure boot option. Double click on it, and now as you can see in my case the secure boot is active now. And after checking that, select the save and exit option and select exit without saving and select yes. And now the PC will boots up. Now you just need to check in system information. Go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. As you can see, secure boot state is on. After checking that, just to close stuff here. And now I can play the Valorant without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.